It's the second half of August. It's still really busy in the evening. We go out, have a meal, have a stroll around. Susan gets to play bingo, but then we show you one of the tribute acts that we found in Sunny Beach and meet some of the staff, making your holiday more fun. And of course, Flower Street, it's busy there. And Dobberden.
Dobberden from me, everybody.
Yeah, the last week of the season is approaching, 21st of August.
It is, yeah.
Well, today. And the weather has been fantastic this week.
Oh, it's been gorgeous. 32 degrees, which is just a nice temperature, I think.
And it's 6 p.m. on a Friday night. Look how busy the beach is. Lots of people in the sea.
Oh, that does look inviting, I must say.
We've come for a little walk out tonight just to see what's happening. It's so difficult to park and get in. It's just so crazy busy still. Another week it will calm down.
Yeah. And you know Andrew's been poorly and I said to him, let's go for a walk out. It'll either do him good or it'll set him back a day or two. Let's see.
It'll kill me. I've been like a week and a half with a flu and I've been really bad. So have a lot of my friends as well. It's a bug that's gone through the resort.
Oh, yeah.
But
I'm all right then. Oh.
Yeah, it didn't affect her at all.
No.
Anyway, let's go make a move.
Yeah, let's see what's happening. We've no plans, but we're just going to see what the night takes us. Oh.
You know, it's a beautiful day. We've got a strong wind. It is blowing on shore, but we've got yellow flags. Just a warning with your beach toys, etc. Take care. It is blowing on shore. So it's not to stop the fun. All the beach high things are still going. Very, very busy.
Well, it's only 6 o'clock, but already you can see how busy Flower Street's getting. Give it another couple of hours when people are off the beach and out of the pools, had their dinner. Flower Street will be shoulder to shoulder. And then it'll be good fun as well. Oh.
And if you're enjoying the video, Disney boot owner, please hit the like button. It really helps the video get shown to more people. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Oh well, we took a gentle stroll because Andrew can only walk gently at the moment because he's been ill. From the jetty, and we'll come to Aura because we haven't been here since May, have we?
No, I haven't been anywhere for 2 weeks. It's nice to get out and get away from Susan's cooking without being rude. So I'm having a chicken curry because she cooks everything in tomatoes at home.
I've got loads of tomatoes at the minute.
Because they're free out of the garden.
Yeah, and they are quite tasty to be fair, but he's fed up with tomato soup, but it has made him feel a bit better.
Yeah, definitely better tonight. So I'm waiting for my hot food to arrive. And it's quite early yet, so it's only 6:30. It's very light, very warm still.
Driver?
I'm not on yet, right now.
I'm designated driver, so I've got a nice elderflower lemonade this time. Isn't that pretty with the little flowers? Very nicely presented. Oh, that's lovely.
So here is my chicken curry.
Yeah, Andrew's carrying on with the curry quest what I gave up the other week.
I've got a couple of tiny slices of tomato. That's the only tomato that makes a change tonight.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Susan's got fajitas.
Yeah, I must say they smell delicious. Oh, can I tuck in or do you want to photograph it first?
I'll take a photograph first. It's a shame not to do that, isn't it, folks?
Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm poised in anticipation. I'm ready.
Yeah, we normally eat our food cold because we don't get round to
No, we've got to film it
Getting
first.
straight at it.
Look at it.
That does look nice. They're going to start.
Oh, thank you very much.
That was so good. We've been in there for hours. It's now darkness.
Oh.
Look at this.
Yeah, but that food was really nice in the aura. Delicious.
If it's a hot night, sticky night, it's great to sit in the open, rather glassed-in restaurant. Very pleasant sitting there. And the view is amazing, looking at the wheel.
It's really nice.
I've had loads of subscribers stop. It's a great place to sit.
Yeah.
Just do try this when you're here.
Yeah, it was nice meeting all you subscribers, so hello everybody.
We're going to move on up now towards the Glarus. Little busy part there, see what it's like tonight.
Yeah, come on then, let's go.
And from the Aura restaurant, we just have to walk along the length of the Glarus Hotel, and we come to the Glarus Karaoke Bar. It's not far to walk at all.
Time for bingo! And don't forget to tell the chairman to shake up his balls. Oh, every night I like playing bingo. Devil's running out. I'm just about to shout, sweating for one number on the line. It's getting ready to someone calling.
6 and 3, tickle me at 63. 8 and 1, stop and run at 81. 7 and 1, bang on the drum at 71. 7 and 6, we're trombones at 7.
I like you, Mickey.
Is 1 and 9, we're goodbye teens at 19.
Everyone love it, mate.
Trying to see if you can open RG safe, find the joker or spin the wheel. I'm just going to explain to you how it all works for the people who've not been in here before and haven't a clue what's going on tonight. So basically the first raffle ticket that we pull out will be for opening the safe this evening, and it's whopping money. It's €1,250, guys. Oh, are we ready? Give us a good spin of this wheel. Good luck to you. I've lowered it tonight so the kids can have a better go. She's won the big one, €25. Come and see me. Hopefully gets a mystery for the kids tonight. He's got a mystery prize. Are we ready? No. What have you got? He's got to dance like a chicken and peck the tables. Would you like to do it, or would you like the forfeit? He's seen the forfeits. He doesn't want one of them. He is going to dance like a chicken and peck all the tables. But remember, you're the judges. Even if it's not good enough, then he does get the forfeit. So, are we ready? We'll put on a little bit of sexy, and I know it. Remember, you've got to dance like a good chicken tonight. You're the judges, guys. Here we go. Oh, he's starting good. He's starting really good. Oh, he's a good chicken. He's having a bit of a bum shake there. Oh, that's a good pack. It's a good pack. Oh, he's doing really well. Pick up those seeds from the table there. He's picking up your raffle tickets as well.
What do you say? Come to the Glarus. Come to the Glarus.
Come to the Glarus every night.
Yeah.
Different tribute act, cat bingo.
No day off.
Not welcome to join us.
It's good fun.
We're all good. We're all good.
There you go. I thought he was doing a picture.
Oh, no, I think he was doing a bit of videoing.
Yeah, a bit of video, was it?
Yeah. Well, we're at the Glarus now with Ange, who's the DJ at the Glarus. How long have you been here, Ange?
So I've been working here in Glarus Karaoke Bar since 2018, but I've been here around 14 years now.
Oh, a long time. You like Sunny Beach then?
Absolutely love it. It was the biggest thing that I've ever done, really, and now I've bought a house here, it's even better. So
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So, and I believe you go to Borovets in the winter.
I do, yeah. So myself and Kiko, we've got a place in Borovets. It's the #1 sports bar in Borovets. So I go there every winter season, and that's been open since 2019.
So you've got the best of both worlds.
Best of both worlds, skiing, snowboarding, and then the lovely sun in the summer.
Oh, that's brilliant. And I must say, it's so much fun in the Glarus. The bingo, you make bingo sound so exciting, that's great.
Oh, thank you so much.
And the games, especially the chicken mystery game one.
Yeah.
That's funny, isn't it? That's
Do
really
you know,
funny.
I bought these games in because I wanted to make something a bit of variety for everybody and for all the families that are coming over. And we decided to do these big cash games so people to put a deposit down on their next holidays or just pay off a big debt, really.
Oh, that's great, yeah. So you can win some big money here at the Glarus. So if you're on holiday, come and say hi to Ange.
I love you all very much. We're hoping you come to have a great time in Glarus Karaoke Bar where you can sing, dance, fill in all the extra times by doing bingo, watching all the top shows.
All right, brilliant. We've had a great night, Ange.
Lovely. I love you very much. Thank you very much for
I love
coming.
you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes,
Bye
yes.
tonight.
Thank you.
Oh.
Then walk off into the distance.
Yeah.
Right, we've met these lovely little kids. And what's your name?
Blake,
Blake. And what's your name?
Roscoe.
And where are you from?
I'm from the Wirral.
Oh, the Wirral. We met somebody else from the Wirral the other day. Are you from the Wirral?
No, I'm from Manchester.
Oh, you're from Manchester. Are you not brothers?
No.
Oh, I thought you were brothers. Are you just friends?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. Are you having a good time in the Glarus?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So say ciao ciao for now. Bye.
That's really good in there tonight, but the karaoke's on. It's time for me to leave.
Oh, yeah. They've had some good singers on, but time to go now.
It does vary a lot. But anyway, we're going to head back towards the centre and the car because Susan's driving tonight.
Oh, yeah, I am.
And it's still rammed with people, still very, very busy in Sunny Beach. It's still a week or so to go with the main season, being August. Oh, it's a brilliant year at the moment. Really, really good.
So if you're here in the next couple of weeks, give Glarus a go. So much fun in there.
Okay.
Oh, well, now we're on Flower Street, and as I said earlier, it'll get busier and busier. Oh, the youngsters are coming out now, so it is busy. Great atmosphere, great music. This is what Sunny Beach is all about, the nightlife.
Oh, well, it's 11:30. I've been out for hours.
Yeah, he's a bit tired now, poor old boy.
Feeling the effects of the last week of my flu bug, but it's 11:30. Still 27 degrees, still very pleasant.
Yeah, that's amazing, isn't it?
But we need to go home. Well, I need to go home. So it's ciao ciao for now. See you again later.
Ciao, ciao from me, everybody.
We don't just cover the summer season, we actually film all year round and do videos in the local area because we only live 5 miles away from the resort itself. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks a lot.